Anthony. What are you doing? You can't do that.
Some raspberry.
A lot of collectibles, antiques. The way he had things stacked up, if there was a violent struggle, things would be knocked down.
Go, Scout.
Is it a fly? Oh, you got it. Did you eat it? Oh, don't eat that.
No. No. It ain't funny. No. No. It's not funny. No.
Are you tired? Oh. Have you had enough? Are you ready for your bed? Oh, too much.
Yeah? Ride the motorcycle. Hmm? What was that?
Leave me.
Did you toot? Oh my Lanta. I guess you did.
Did you pee your pants on that?
Go get your feet.
He's looking at that. He's looking at that. Get a blinky.
Where you going, kids?
Hurry, Daddy, hurry. Pass it to me. Okay, that's good. Look, let her see you. Aww.
What are you doing? Hey!
Grant. Grant. Oh no! Oh no!
gotta help me, losing my mind, getting the feeling you wanna leave this all behind. Thought we were going strong, I thought
You scared her.
Yeah.
Hey.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Say A, B, C, D. Julie. Hi. What? A, B, C, D.
Where'd that baby go?
Want some popsicle? Yeah. Is that tasty?
You got a chunk off.
Whoa! Easy there, Buster.
Harvey, what'd you find? Find your shadow?
Harvey, what's that?
Who's that guy that's following you?
Every morning you do it to me, every morning. Every morning you put your... Yeah, every morning you spit it out at me, you spit it out at me every morning. Your mind got breathing.
Yes. Okay. Okay, but it's really not Daddy we're after. What are we after here? Oh, it's the water bowl. Oh, it's the water bowl. That's what we're after. We gotta get to the water bowl. I remember.
I love you, dude.
Let's see if she'll do it again. Hold on.
Do you like my hair? Are you sad because I use your barrette thingies? Your bow thingies? You want me to take these out? Wanda, do you think I look cute? I was going for like the 90s look type hairstyle, so I had to borrow your little knockers. Is that okay?